So here goes for another duvet based blog. I actually tried doing a video blog a couple of days ago and gave up. Ring, 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 banana phone. Here's some stuff that I did yesterday. Bank holiday Monday. I had editing booked, and so I ended up having pasta at like 5 a.m. and then I went to editing, and I was meant to get kicked out at about 11, and in the end I was in there till about 5 o'clock. So it was a long editing day, but I got lots done, so that's cool. You asked me what my favourite kind of cereal is, but I don't know, I don't remember if you've been here properly before, but if you've ever looked in my fridge, you'd know it looks like this. Yeah, I don't ever buy milk, so obviously I don't eat cereal. When I'm home, I'd say it's probably Cocoa Rocks, because it has chocolate in it. That'll do for me. Oh, you asked me who I'm voting for. The obvious, easy answer is Lib Dem, but just for the sake of attempting to make you smile briefly, I'm going to say the Monster Raving Loony Party, because I agree with their policies. I think they most represent my needs as an individual. Oh yeah, and I dyed my hair again, obviously. It's kind of like sort of browny, reddy, purpley. There's still some bits of blonde in there, but that's just because I'm incompetent. Yeah. So far, people seem to prefer this in a way that was pointed out to me that, sort of people do this thing where they're kind of complimenting a change, and the way they're doing it, they're actually criticising the way you were before, or maybe, insulting is a better word. Yep, that was grown up. Oh yeah, I have a challenge for you based on the elections, since you gave me an election based question. I think you should illustrate how the election process is going at the time when you do your video blog in some kind of art form. So, for example, if by the time you've done your video blog the election results have been announced, you could write a short ode to the new Prime Minister, or, whatever. It's your challenge. You should nag Mum to come visit soon. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, so, night.